Today's Bellwork is an inequality. We need to solve it and graph it, is what it also says. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at my variable. If this number is a negative, then that means I need to flip my sign the other way, which it is. So since I have a -4, then I need to flip my inequality. Okay, so now my question is really going to say -4x minus 7 is less than 1. Once that happens, I'm just going to solve like normal, draw a line down, and then start working backwards. I'm going to do the opposite. So the opposite of adding 7, or the opposite of subtract 7 or -7 is +7. I was saying what I needed to do instead of what was already there. Then I can bring down my -4x. I can bring down my sign because I've flipped it and now it's going the way it should. And then 1 and 7, these are both positive, so I should add them. One plus 7 is 8. Then the last step is divide by the number that's with your variable, which is -4. And x is now going to be 8 divided by -4, it's 2. If you're not sure if it's positive or negative, you can draw the math dude face and put in 2 negative signs and a positive sign. Then if I zoom in real close, I can put the numbers from my problem. So I had a +8 and I had a -4, and then what's left over goes with the answer. So now I know that my answer has to be -2. Okay, so my final answer, it's not going to be equals because we had a different symbol. We're going to say x, we flipped our symbol to be less than, and then we had -2 when we solved the inequality. So looking at the inequality, since this just says less than, I'm going to have an open circle on -2, and then I'm going to shade to the left because it says less than. So -2 would be right here. I'm going to leave it an open circle because it didn't say equal to, and then I would shade everything to the left of the circle because it now says less than. Any number less than -2 would make this statement true.